Hi guys, today's video is about this new program that I am using for a while now. It's called AI Callings. And what this does is it allows you to generate new leads via the phone. So this is not an email thing. This is not a social media thing. This is actual phone calls and it works really, really well. Now, I am running a business and in my business is digital marketing consulting. So before, I was cold calling people trying to get new clients and trying to get new customers. But with this new AI technology, what I can do is I can have the AI do the calling for me and it works really well. Now, there are a lot of different ways that you can use this, okay? You could use this to promote your business. You could use this to promote a service-based business like what I have. You can use this to sell products. You can use this to do affiliate marketing. There are a lot of different ways that you can use this program to make money. But essentially how it works is you just tell it what you want to say and the AI makes the phone calls for you. I'm going to give you an idea how this works. So if I want to start a new campaign, I am going to enter my phone number, so it is going to use that as the phone number that the client or the customer is going to see when they get the call. Then I have to enter the phone numbers that I want to call. Now you can import a list of phone numbers or you can have the software do the research for you and find all the phone numbers for you. So let's say I want to target dentists. I can just type in dentist and then the AI, it is going to find all the dentists in my area and it will collect all their phone numbers in a file. And then it will be ready for the AI to call them. Now once I have all that information in, I have to enter the message that I want to say. So I can record my message or I can type it out. Once I have that in, I can preview it and then I can launch the campaign. Once the campaign is launched, the AI it is going to start making phone calls and the AI will talk to potential customers and try to make appointments for me. Now, one of the great things about this is that it also has an auto dialer built in and also can leave voicemails. It is really making phone calls and talking to people and getting them on the phone and make appointments for me with hot leads, or if I want can promote my products or services. Now, I do not want to go through the entire training, but I will leave a link in the description below this video, so you can check it out all the details for yourself. It's really easy to use, very powerful, and it is something that I have been using in my business to generate hot leads and more clients. Now pay attention, I will leave a link in the description below this video with a special offer, one low price with one-time fee, yes, no monthly payments. So use my link to get this AI Callings program. So that's it for now. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss future videos about digital marketing. Bye now, and I'll catch you on the next video.